If you're considering Corecon for your construction management needs, here are 12 things you need to know before buying and why it might be a good option compared to other solutions out there. First off, Corecon offers comprehensive project management tools that let you track budgets, schedules, and workforce productivity. Compared to competitors like Buildertrend or Procore, it's more affordable, but that comes with some limitations, especially in customization. If you're working on large-scale projects and need a solution that's flexible, this could be a key consideration. Next thing, Corecon's cloud-based platform means you can access your data from anywhere, which is standard in today's market. Unlike Procore, which has a steep learning curve, Corecon's interface is user-friendly. However, some users report that while it's intuitive, it lacks advanced features offered by its higher-end counterparts, like seamless integrations with accounting systems. The third thing to consider is its bidding and procurement capabilities. Corecon allows you to streamline your bidding process, but it's not as robust as Buildertrend's project management suite. If your company relies heavily on sophisticated procurement tracking, you might find Corecon a bit limiting in comparison. The fourth thing, Corecon offers cost tracking and change order management. This is crucial for keeping projects within budget, and while it does the job, it's not as advanced as Procore's cost management features. Procore's real-time updates and tracking are superior, but Corecon's pricing can make it an appealing choice for smaller businesses. Now let's talk about mobile support. Corecon's mobile app is decent, giving field teams the ability to upload documents and track progress on the go. It doesn't quite match the level of mobile optimization that Buildertrend provides, though. If your team's efficiency relies on robust mobile features, you may find Buildertrend more suited to your needs. The next thing is its reporting tools. Corecon provides useful reports for project analysis, but it's not as flexible as Procore, which offers custom reporting and detailed analytics. Corecon's reports are simpler, which can be great for teams looking for an easy-to-understand interface, but may not be sufficient for companies that need more advanced insights. Another thing to note is its integration capabilities. While Corecon integrates with popular tools like QuickBooks and Sage 100, it doesn't offer as many integrations as Procore or Buildertrend. This could limit your ability to connect with other essential software. So if integrations are a priority, this is something to keep in mind. The eighth thing is its customer support. Corecon has good customer service, with users praising their responsiveness. However, the support is less extensive compared to competitors like Procore, where you can access a dedicated support team anytime. Corecon support is reliable but might not be as instant or specialized. The ninth thing to consider is its document management features. Corecon allows you to manage project documents, but it doesn't have the same document control options that Buildertrend or Procore offer. If your project requires a detailed document approval process, Corecon may fall short in this area. The 10th thing is its budget-friendly pricing. If you're a smaller contractor or startup, Corecon's pricing model is much more affordable than Procore or Buildertrend. However, this means you're getting fewer features, so it's a trade-off between cost and capabilities. The 11th thing is its scalability. Corecon works well for small to mid-sized businesses, but it might not be the best solution for enterprise-level projects. If you're looking for something to grow with your business, Procore or Buildertrend might be better options due to their more robust and scalable features. And lastly, while Corecon excels at project management basics, it may not have the advanced functionality that larger firms need. So, if you need deeper customization or more advanced tools, there are competitors that could serve you better. Overall, Corecon is a solid construction management option, especially for smaller teams and projects. It's easy to use, affordable, and offers essential project management tools. But if you need more advanced features or better scalability, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.